Good morning, everyone. I, Shifali, from Dips Bloomingdale's. As we were discussing earlier, adverbs, in which we have discussed adverbs of time and adverbs of place. What were adverbs of time? Adverbs of time were the words which were telling us the time when the work is being done, and in adverbs of place we were being told about the place where the work has been done. Today we will discuss adverb of manner. What is adverb of manner? That how the work is being done. Let's see some examples. She talked politely. He cried slowly. They run fast. In these sentences, we are being told she talked. How she talked? Politely. Second is he cried slowly. They run fast. Here, how they run? Fast. In these sentences, we are being told how the work is being done. So, adverb of manner are those words which tell us how the work is being done. Basically, answer of how is being given to us. Let's see our exercise number D. Read the following sentences carefully. Find the incorrect words and write the corrections in the space provided. Some words which were adverb of manners are given wrong to us. We have to check which words are those and we have to write the correct words. See, a hare and a tortoise were friends. They decided to have a race. The hare ran fastly and the tortoise moved slow. There is no word which is known as fastly. Adverb of manner is fast. And the tortoise moved slow. Slow is not an adverb, so it will become slowly. The hare could easy win the race. Easy का कोई meaning नहीं है. So what will be the real word? It will be easily. But it decided to take rest and fall asleep. The tortoise happy moved towards. Happy is incorrect. Correct word is happily. Happily moved towards the finish line. Lazy. If we say lazy here, that is okay. But here, lazy, comma, that means lazily. The word is incorrect here. Lazily, the hare kept on sleeping. The tortoise won the race and not sad, it's sadly. Sadly, the hare lost it. Let's see which words we have checked which were wrong. That was slow, easy, happy, lazy and sad. Now we will see the actual words. In place of slow, we have to use slowly. In place of easy, easily. Happy, happily. Lazy, lazily. Sad, sadly. So these are the basically we came to know about adverbs of manner. Next is adverb of degree. Adverb of degree is the work is being done to which extent. किस हद तक हम जिस काम को करते हैं, दैट इज अप टू विच एक्सटेंट. लेट्स सी द एग्जाम्पल. द कॉफी इज टू स्वीट, कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा मीठी है. प्रियंका इज एज टॉल एज लक्ष्य. वी हैव कंपेयर्ड प्रियंका विद लक्ष्य, कि जितनी हाइट प्रियंका की है सेम इज लक्ष्य. द हीट इज रादर हॉट. रादर मीन्स काफ़ी हद तक, बहुत ज़्यादा, मतलब हम नहीं कहेंगे कि हाँ बहुत गर्म है, लेकिन काफ़ी हद तक गर्म है. इन दीज सेंटेंसेस टू, एज, रादर, दीज थ्री वर्ड्स आर टेलिंग अस द डिग्री ऑफ एडवर्ब, कि किस हद तक कोई काम हो रहा है. दे आंसर द क्वेश्चन हाउ मच टू व्हाट एक्सटेंट, किस एक्सटेंट तक हम काम कर रहे हैं. सो दीज वर्ड्स आर नोन एज एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री. Let's see some more examples of adverb of degree. They are very, too, really, enough, just, quite, almost, pretty, fairly, so, rather. Let's try to solve our exercise number E with these adverb of degrees. First is being done for us. I am rather tired कि काफ़ी हद तक मैं थका हुआ हूँ. She has a really pleasing personality कि काफ़ी अच्छी खुश करने वाली personality है. I am so careless. Her voice is too sweet, very sweet. The rent of this house is really high for me. You can also say enough high for me. Your answer is quite different. The glass is almost full. The food is very delicious. He has done really well. Thank you so much. I hope today you have cleared with adverb of degree and adverb of manner. Tomorrow we will meet with adverb of frequency. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.